Breaking news for creators. Canva just launched 9 brand new free courses and all come with certificates, and they are perfect for designers, freelancers, students and business owners who want to level up their visual skills. Number 1 on the list is Meet the Visual Suite. If you want to understand everything Canva can do, this course gives you a full tour of Canva's tools, from design and documents to whiteboards, videos and even websites. You learn how to turn ideas into visuals quickly, build consistent branding, and make every project look professional. It is perfect for beginners and creators who are exploring Canva for the first time. The second course is Canva Essentials. This is your foundation. It is a must-take course before anything else. It covers everyday tools for creating, editing, and organizing your designs like a pro. By the end, you'll be able to craft clean and eye-catching visuals in minutes. So you can see the courses that you take, what you learn, the key skills required to take these courses. The next course is Work Smarter with AI. Do you want to design faster? This course reveals how Canva's AI tools like Magic Write, Magic Edit, and Magic Resize help you speed up your workflow. You'll see how to blend your creativity with automation to create more in less time. On the screen, you can also see the courses you take, what you learn, the key skills required for the courses, and so on. The next course is Graphic Design Essentials. Here is where you learn the real art of design, like color, typography, layout, and balance. Each lesson helps you understand why good design works and lets you practice hands-on inside Canva. Here you would also see the courses you take, what you learn, the key skills required, and so on. Number 5 is AI in the classroom. This one is for teachers and students. This course is a gem. It shows you how to use Canva's AI to make lesson slides, projects, and visuals that engage your audience. Everything is explained clearly with real classroom examples. Here you can also see the courses you take, what you learn, additional resources that have been provided for you, the key skills required for this course, and so on. Number 6 course is Presenting in Canva. Here you learn how to make slides that actually connect to people. This course teaches presentation flow, timing, and storytelling, so your audience stays hooked to your presentation. Here you also see the courses you take, the lessons you learn, everything you need to start up. It is actually free. Number 7 is Canva Email Design. If you send newsletters or promos, this is for you. It teaches how to make clickable on-brand email graphics fast. No design background needed. Here you can see the activities you'll be required to do, what you learn, and everything you need. The 8th course is Canva for Work. If you are working in a team or agency, this course teaches you how to collaborate smoothly by using shared folders, brand kits, and templates. It is all about consistency and time-saving teamwork. Here you also see the courses you take, what you learn, the additional resources that have been provided, and everything you need to learn or you need to start learning the course. It is easy and it is free. The last course is Marketing with Canva. Finally, you learn how to plan and create marketing visuals that actually grow your brand. You'll understand how to design engaging posts, adverts, and stories that look professionals. On the screen, you also see the courses or the lessons you take, what you learn, and so on. You know, most people only scratch the surface of Canva, but if you take these free courses seriously, you'll be designing like a pro in less than a month and with certificates to prove it. All it costs is your time and curiosity. So start your first Canva course today and watch your design skills level up for free. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you and bye-bye.